Welcome to Nature's Grandest Deception, where we'll unlock the biological secrets of Amorphophallus titanum, more commonly known as the Titan Arum. This incredible plant isn't just a flower, it's a complex biological machine, ingeniously designed to mimic death in order to create life. Often called the corpse flower or bunga bonkai, it represents a remarkable deconstruction of the world's largest unbranched inflorescence. The Titan Arum operates on a truly unique timeline, often referred to as the 48-hour window. It spends 7 to 10 years in vegetative growth and dormancy, accumulating energy. The grand event itself, the bloom, is incredibly fleeting, lasting only 24 to 48 hours. This rarity makes each blooming a global phenomenon. Botanical gardens see ticket sellouts, thousands of visitors, and millions watching via live streams to witness this brief spectacle. It's a Big Bang strategy of reproduction, expending a decade of energy in a violent burst of heat and scent. Let's explore some impressive numbers that define this titan. The world record height for a Titan Arum reached 3.225 meters at the Mies Botanic Garden in 2024. Its heaviest recorded tuber, the underground energy storage unit, weighed an astounding 153.9 kilograms. During its peak pre-bloom phase, the spadix can grow at an astonishing velocity of 10 centimeters per day. And its single leaf structure can reach up to 6 meters in height, resembling a full-grown tree. Now, let's delve into the anatomy of this giant. It's important to understand that the Titan Arum is an inflorescence, a cluster of flowers arranged on a stem rather than a single flower. At its core is the spadix, a hollow central spike that acts as a chimney, efficiently dispersing scent and heat. Encircling it is the spathe, with its deep burgundy inner surface, expertly mimicking rotting meat to lure in insects. Beneath the surface, you'll find hundreds, sometimes thousands, of tiny male flowers releasing pollen, and just below them, the pink and purple female flowers, which open first to receive that crucial pollen. The Titan Arum's life revolves around a precise energy cycle. It begins with stage 1, the leaf phase, where the plant photosynthesizes for 12 to 18 months, diligently charging its tuber with starch. Next, in stage 2, it enters dormancy, where the leaf dies back and the tuber sleeps for about 4 months. Stage 3 involves a critical decision. If the tuber's weight is greater than 15 kilograms, the plant initiates a bloom. If not, a new leaf grows, and the cycle of energy accumulation continues. Finally, in stage 4, if successfully pollinated, the plant produces berries, and the tuber eventually collapses, having fulfilled its purpose. The famous, or infamous, scent of the corpse flower is a complex chemical cocktail. It's a masterful blend designed to mimic decay. Dimethyl trisulfide evokes the smell of Limburger cheese or rotting onions, while dimethyl disulfide suggests garlic. Trimethylamine creates the stench of rotting fish, and isovaleric acid brings to mind sweaty socks. Indole contributes a distinct fecal note. Interestingly, there's also benzyl alcohol, adding a sweet floral undertone to the mix. New findings from a Dartmouth study have identified high concentrations of methionine, a sulfur-containing amino acid, as a key precursor fueling this powerful stench, and putrescine, identified in a specimen nicknamed Morphe, which adds the specific scent of rotting meat. A key biological marvel of the Titan Arum is thermogenesis, where it acts as a living chimney. This process allows the flower to heat itself up to temperatures near that of the human body, around 36.7 degrees Celsius. The mechanism involves alternative oxidase, or AOX enzymes, which uncouple energy production from storage, releasing it purely as heat, similar to brown fat in animals. This heat creates convection currents, generating a chimney effect that carries scent molecules up and out to the canopy, making the scent detectable up to a kilometer away. So, who is the Titan Arum's target audience? Primarily, carrion beetles and flesh flies. The plant employs a multifaceted deception. Visually, its deep burgundy color mimics vascular meat. Olfactorily, the sulfur compounds it releases perfectly simulate decay. And thermally, the heat it generates suggests a fresh carcass. This sophisticated deception is amplified by a temporal trap. To prevent self-pollination, the female flowers open first. The male flowers then release pollen approximately 24 hours later. Insects are effectively trapped overnight and released covered in pollen, ready to find the next corpse and ensure cross-pollination. The Titan arum is endemic to Sumatra, where it thrives in specific habitats: steep limestone hills and rainforest openings, preferring warm, humid, shaded forest floors. It was first described by the Italian botanist Odoardo Beccari in 1878. Its scientific name, Amorphophallus titanum, translates to misshapen giant phallus. However, the common name, Titan arum, was famously coined by Sir David Attenborough to avoid the literal Latin translation on television, making it more palatable for a wider audience. It's interesting to compare the Titan arum with another floral giant. While both are locally known as bunga bonkai, or corpse flower, they are biologically unrelated. The Titan arum, Amorphophallus titanum, stands impressively over 3 meters high and is the largest unbranched inflorescence. It's a complete plant, possessing leaves, roots, and a large tuber. In contrast, Rafflesia arnoldi, while boasting the largest single flower with a diameter of up to 1 meter, is parasitic. It lacks leaves, roots, or stems, living entirely inside host vines, making their life cycles and structures quite different despite their shared common name and scent. Unfortunately, this magnificent giant is in peril. The Titan arum is classified as endangered, a stark reminder of the threats it faces. There are fewer than 1,000 estimated individuals remaining in the wild, representing a staggering 50% population decrease over the last 150 years. The primary threats are deforestation for palm oil plantations and logging in Sumatra. Its specific limestone hill habitats are rapidly being lost, pushing this unique species closer to extinction. Given its endangered status, conservation through cultivation, often called the ARC strategy, is critical. Botanical gardens around the world are working tirelessly. They freeze pollen and ship it globally to pollinate other blooming titans, ensuring genetic diversity. There have been remarkable success stories, such as the first cultivation bloom at Kew in 1889, and more recent synchronized blooms have allowed for invaluable chemical studies that would be impossible in the wild. This global effort, from Bogor to Chicago, represents the species' vital safety net, protecting it outside its natural habitat. Ultimately, the Titan arum embodies the art of survival. It invests years of solar energy for a single, brief night of grand deception. This plant masterfully utilizes thermal engineering, intricate chemical synthesis, and its massive scale to manipulate other species, compelling them to ensure its survival. As one expert put it, it is a biological event that combines chemical warfare, thermal engineering, and sheer scale, a true wonder of the natural world.